Prosecutors contend Simpson cut his finger as he killed, then bled on the way to his Bronco. Cotton also says a blood drop in his foyer probably is Simpson's too.
Now, Dr. Cotton, you have written in as to the estimations of how rare these matching characteristics are between the bloodstain from the Rockingham foyer that matches Mr. Simpson as between approximately 1 in 170 million and 1 in 1.2 billion. Is that right?
That's right.
Witnesses from 2 state and federal laboratories present similar incriminating results from tests on the same samples, and the defense is able to do little to counter them. Simpson attorney Peter Neufeld challenges the tests themselves for their accuracy and consistency. Prosecutors have more to worry about than whether the jury accepts the complex DNA evidence. There may not be a jury by the time the prosecution concludes its case.
Counsel, earlier today, the court found good cause to dismiss 2 of the jurors presently seated.
The trial started with 12 jurors and 12 alternates, but 10 jurors are dismissed before the prosecution's case is finished, leaving only 2 alternates. Most of the jurors are dismissed for allegedly lying during jury selection. Some of the former jurors go public about their experiences. A few compare being sequestered to being in prison. And one former juror claims the jury is rife with racial tension.
I'm not saying all the sheriffs were nasty, mean, nasty men or women, but the outright nastiness was, yeah, they were white.
Perhaps no evidence has more impact on jurors than gory photographs of the scene where Nicole Brown and Ronald Goldman were killed, and the autopsies of their bodies. There are 58 photographs to look at.
If you have difficulty or find yourself feeling very uncomfortable, and if you think it would be appropriate to take a break, please feel free to let me know.
The ghastly images do get to 2 jurors who rush from the jury box on separate occasions. News organizations demand to see the pictures for themselves. Judge Ito finally lets reporters take a look.
Another point, the most vividly disturbing photographs were the close-up shots. All of the photos are approximately 6 by 12 inches, but some are actual size, showing the wounds to the neck and showing the face, and the face is peering directly into the camera.
The Los Angeles County Coroner uses the photographs, along with diagrams and demonstrations, to illustrate how Nicole Brown Simpson and Ronald Goldman were murdered. Dr. Lakshmanan details the victims' multiple knife wounds, how they were inflicted, and the damage they caused. Prosecutor Brian Kelberg.
Yes. Doctor, would you stake your reputation that based upon the forensic pathology evidence you reviewed, that all of that evidence is in fact consistent with